so I can give you one more chance.